Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you cannot find the watch history or recently watched reels option on Instagram, you are not alone. Many users are currently facing this issue where the option is missing from the activity section. In this video, I will show you where the feature is located and what you can do if it is not showing. First, open Instagram on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on your activity. Scroll down and look for the Watch History option. Tap on Watch History and here you will see the reels you recently watched. But if you do not see this option, the first thing you should do is update your Instagram app. Open the Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If you see an update button, tap on Update and install the latest version. After updating, open Instagram again and check your activity section. If the option is still missing, try logging out of your account and then log back in. You can also clear the Instagram app cache from your phone settings if you are using an Android phone. Sometimes Instagram rolls out features slowly, so the option may appear after the app is updated. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more Instagram troubleshooting tutorials.